Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to learn new sentences. Okay, let's together. Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to learn new sentences. Okay, let's together. Turebere hamwe interuro nshya uko tugiye kuziga aha muri practice. Where did you see her? Where did you see her? Wamubonye he? Wamubonye he? I saw her near the hospital. I see her near the hospital. Namubonye hafi y'ibitaro. Where did they go? Where did they go? Bagiye hehe? Bagiye hehe? They went out. They went out. Barasohotse. Barasohotse. I love your conversation. I love your conversations. Nkunda ibiganiro byawe. Nkunda ibiganiro byawe. I need your action. I need your action. Nkeneye igikorwa cyawe. Nkeneye igikorwa cyawe. Have a good day. Have a good day. Gira umunsi mwiza. Gira umunsi mwiza. See you later. Bye. See you later. Bye. Turasubira murabeho. Thank you for waiting me. Thank you for waiting me. Murakoze kuntegereza. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your support. Murakoze kubufasha bwanyu. Murakoze kubufasha bwanyu. Look there. Look there. Kurikira hariya. Kurikira hariya. That looks great. That looks great. Icyo kimeze neza. Icyo kimeze neza. That yummy. That yummy. Icyo kiraryoshye. Icyo kiraryoshye. That smells bad. That smells bad. Icyo gihumura nabi. Icyo gihumura nabi. Is very delicious. Is very delicious. Kiraryoshye. Kiraryoshye. Is right. Uri mukuri. She's very annoying. She's very annoying. Arasakuza cyane. Arasakuza cyane. I don't want to play. I don't want to play. Sinshaka gukina. Sinshaka gukina. I don't want it. I don't want it. Ntabwo mbishaka. I don't have time to lose. I don't have time to lose. Ntabwo mfite igihe cyo gutakaza. Ntabwo mfite igihe cyo gutakaza. I don't have time to lose. I don't know what you need. I don't know what you need. Huh? That's in America. Ntabwo nzi icyo ukeneye. Ntabwo nzi icyo ukeneye. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. Ntabwo nshaka kukubangamira. Ntabwo nshaka kukubangamira. Let's go out. Let's go out. Reka dusohoke. Reka dusohoke. Let's go to get them. Let's go get them. Reka tubone. cyangwa se tubabone. Let's look for. Reka dushakishe. May I ask a question, Mr. Clever? May I ask a question, Mr. Clever? Ese nabaza ikibazo, Mr. Clever? Mr. Clever? May I ask a question, Mr. Clever? May I talk to you? May I talk to you? Ese twavugana? Next time. Ubutaha. At least after 10 minutes. Nibura nka nyuma y'iminota 10. Nothing else. Nta kindi. Nothing else. Can I believe it? Nshobora kubyizera. Of course. Nibyo. Please take 1 minute. Ihangane nk'umunota umwe. Please take me to this address. Ihangane untwarire kuri uyu mwirondoro. Please take my number. Ihangane utware nimero yanjye. I apologize for that. Ndakwinginze. Please fill out this form. Ihangane wuzuze iyi nyandiko. Please fill out this form. Please help me. Ihangane umfashe. Please help me. Please write it here. Ihangane wandike hano. Please write it down. Ihangane ubyandikeho munsi. Please write it down. You're very important person. This is VIP. Uri umuntu wihagije. Umuntu wihagije bavuga very person. You're good father. You are a good father. Uri umubyeyi mwiza. That's good idea. That's a good idea. Icyo ni igitekerezo cyiza. That's good idea. You are very nice. You're very nice. Uri mwiza. You are handsome. Iri jambo rikoreshwa gusa ku gitsina gore. Everything you're smart. Buri kintu cyose urasobanutse. I want only a coffee. Ndashaka icyayi cyonyine. I want only a coffee. I only need avocado. Nkeneye avoka yonyine. I think it's yummy. I think it's yummy. Ndatekereza ko biryoshye. Ndatekereza ko biryoshye. It's yummy or it's very delicious. And say, I think it tastes good. I think it tastes good. I think it tastes good. Ndatekereza ko ari cyiza. Ndatekereza ko ari cyiza. I think it's delicious. Ndatekereza ko biryoshye. Ndatekereza ko biryoshye. I think it's delicious. Is it true? Is it true? Ese byaba ari byo? Ese byaba ari byo? Yeah, it's true. Yeah, it's true. Yego nibyo. Yego nibyo. It's true. If you need my help, please let me come. If you need my help, please let me come. Niba ukeneye ubufasha bwanjye, nyamuneka reka nze. Niba ukeneye ubufasha bwanjye, nyamuneka reka nze. How far are you? How far are you? Uri kure hangana gute? Uri kure hangana gute? How far are you? I'm on my way coming. On my way coming. I'm on my way coming. Ndi mu nzira nza. Ndi mu nzira nza. I had like to go for work. I had like to go for work. Not work, ni walk. Nakunze kugenda n'amaguru. From where up to? From where up to? Kuva he kugera he? Kuva he kugera he? From when up to? Kuva he kugera he? From Kigali City up to Ruhango. From Kigali City up to Ruhango. Kuva I Kigali mu mujyi kugera Ruhango. Kuva I Kigali mu mujyi ujya Ruhango. How long have you been walking there? How long have you been walking there? Umaze igihe kingana gute ujyayo? Umaze igihe kingana gute ujyayo? I had been walking there since 2020. I have been walking there since 2020. Nagiyeyo guhera 20